Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly, we have to open the keyboard. For example, in messages, it doesn't really matter. So let me do it. And right now we have to tap on this globe icon, which is on this option bar. Let's tap on it. Here we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got only English right now. So in order to add new one, just tap on add a language. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. But at the very top of the list, right here, we've got some installed languages. So obviously we can tap on it and choose it right away. But if you find the language which you'd like to use in the available languages, then you will have to download it. So as you can see here, we've got the info that in order to download it, you have to click on it. So I will show you how to do it, just for example on this one, and obviously make sure that you've got the internet connection. And as you can see now, it is downloading and it will be just set. It will be added to the installed languages, obviously. So let me pick, for example, maybe Arabic. So let me just tap on it, let me mark it, and actually here right now the switch language by option is activated, so we can tap on it and here we can decide how we want to swipe the language, how to want to switch the language. So we can do it by swiping on the spacebar or the language switch key. Unfortunately, we don't have the option which will contain both of them. So I think I will pick the spacebar, so let me leave it like this. And now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And as you can see, actually nothing happened, but the spacebar is not empty. From now on, here we will have the name of the language we are currently using. So right now we've got English, but after swiping, just like that, we can easily go to the Arabic keyboard. So this is how it works. Of course, we can check the another option. Let me check the language switch key. Let's get back. How it works. As you can see here, we've got the language switch key. So after tapping on it, we can easily change the keyboards. So actually this is it. This is how to add a new language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes for some reason you do not need to have two different languages added. So let's enter the globe icon again, tap on add language. And right now here we have to untick the one we want to remove. Actually, as you can see, we cannot untick English, but we can untick Arabic. So let me untick it. And after getting back, we can see that the spacebar is empty. We do not have the language switch key, so it means that we can only type in English. So actually that's all. This is how to add a keyboard language in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.